Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I will show you what the Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot exfoliating facial serum is, how or what it offers and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Dr. Melaxin website, Peel Shot is an exfoliating facial serum designed to help improve the skin texture, reduce basically the appearance of enlarged pores, and remove dead skin cells. The company says that it combines some bio speckles along with ingredients, many different ingredients, like that are mentioned here on the website. So you can see like the active ingredients and any other thing that you'll find here. So all the information, how to use this example, and when, as example, it's gonna show you some changes in your face. So according to the websites, it needs 4 weeks, and they show you here the steps how to use it. So the step one, you'll have to start with completely with a clean face. Do not use any other exfoliant like scrubs on the same night as example. Then you'll have to apply it, smooth and seal, and basically make sure to avoid any fakes as it's said here by the websites. So you'll find here the conclusion, frequently asked question if you have some of these questions, and also get in touch if you have more questions that are not offered here. So basically, before purchasing, take a few minutes to review the product's information. Depending on the product that you're going to choose, make sure it's suitable for your skincare routine, since exfoliating product can affect everyone differently. So it's always a good idea to use your own research and carefully follow the manufacturer instructions. And according to the official direction, as we said, if you want to buy it, you'll have to choose a package depending on what you want. Click on now, go to the checkout, enter your shipping information, payments information, and follow on any on-screen instructions. And before you continue with the checkout or complete your purchase, make sure to review the pricing, shipping information, and return policy so you know exactly what you're ordering. So as with any like skincare products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it. Or if you have any sensitive skin or existing skin condition, make sure to check with your doctor as well. Make sure to always do your own research as well and use the products according to the manufacturer instruction. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.